Hello, this is Lena from MudAndMajesty. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your 3D printed antlers. You can purchase these and many other sets through our website, MudAndMajesty.com, or search us on Etsy, MudAndMajesty.com. Alright, let's get started. You will receive antlers that are already pre-drilled for you. Okay? And your headband will be pre-drilled as well. You will get 2 screws and felt. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. To get started, you want to pop in your screw, and just as soon as it comes out on the other side, line up your opening and pop them in. Okay. This part, when you get really close to the headband, you don't want to over tighten it. It might crack your headband if you force it. So as soon as it makes contact and you could feel it tight, stop. Okay. All right. The other side. Same thing. You can actually do this. Just pop in your screw first all the way. All right, make sure you're doing this over a table surface. In case if anything falls, nothing's going to get cracked. Okay? And you can actually just twist your antler onto a screw. Okay, you might find that a little bit easier. Okay, and once you fill it, you can feel it kind of getting tighter, and then you stop. Okay, to line up, to make sure that your antlers are lined up and perfect on each side, you're going to bring the tips together, hold them, and just play with the setting where you like it to be. You know, some people might like it back more, some people might like it forward more, so that's your preference. Okay. Once everything's perfect, you're going to cover the screws. You don't want them to tangle in your hair, and also by adding some glue to the base along the sides of your headband over the screw. Okay, it will help secure your antler, so over time it's not gonna twist or get loose, and it looks really neat for you too. Do that on each side. I like to use hot glue, so if in the future for any reason you want to take them off of this headband and transfer them into something else, you could just heat this up with your hair dryer, pull everything off, and reattach them. Okay? And you're all set. Thank you so much.